what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little shopping haul to do. I have not been doing much cleaning around the house. I mean, actually I've done cleaning, but it's just been so hard to get a cleaning video together, especially since I'm almost done with my fall decor. I'm waiting on one more thing to come in the mail tomorrow. So I'm waiting on one more shipment to come in tomorrow, and I will have everything that I need to do all of my fall decorating, and then I'll be doing a fall tour. But I picked up a few things today and I was going to share that with you. Okay, first of all, I went to Target. Just got some random things. One of my boys got this Halloween costume. A hot dog. Can you believe this? This is the silliest thing ever. But yeah, he picked out a hot dog costume, so we'll see how that goes. And I also got this adorable cardigan, and I don't know what it is about fall, but I'm obsessed with leopard print. I mean, I've always loved leopard print for like ever, but I have bought like 5 leopard print sweaters, and I'm going to have to stop. And that's not the only leopard print purchase that I made, but I can't just wear a leopard sweater or cardigan every day. This one is so cute. It is longer. So I didn't have one like this, so I felt that it justified my purchase. And it's got the pockets and buttons, and I just thought it was cute. A cute long sweater at Target. It was, it's Who What Wear, and it's $36.99, and I will try to link everything that I can down below. Oh, and the dollar spot finally had their stuff, so I was so excited, but I don't really have a lot of room to put little things, so I did get a couple things. I got these 2 signs. They were $5. One says, "I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers," and the other one says, "Meet me at the pumpkin patch." And they were just so cute. There was one that says, "Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please," but the other one was just like a buffalo check. And I decided that I probably don't even have a place to put these 2, so I shouldn't get the other ones. But for $5, you see I've got some 3M strips because I got this cute fall picture that I'm going to be hanging with them. Some Ziploc bags there. Some of this stuff is just random stuff that I need. Oh, I got a bag of apples. And this is kind of like fall decor because I'm going to put it in a bowl. And I could not decide what type of apples taste the best. There's so many types of apples. We went to the apple orchard the other day, and I'm like, what kind of apples do we get? So let me know down below, what is your favorite kind of apple? Because I have no idea what kind to buy. I think those are Pink Lady. Okay. Well, we got some goodies. I got some candy corn, which I love candy corn, and I know it's like a love-hate thing for people. A lot of people hate candy corn, but I'm going to put it in an apothecary jar, and I still don't think this is enough. I probably should have bought a big bag at Sam's Club, but we'll try that out, see what it looks like. And then I got some Hershey's Caramel Apple-Filled Milk Chocolate. Oh my goodness, that sounds delicious. Husband got some Harry's Body Wash. Got the kids some veggie chips, Ghost and Bats, in the Halloween section. And my husband got some Reese's Minis. He says he only likes the minis. What else do we get at Target? Some juice pouches. Oh, and then I almost got some candlesticks at Target, but I decided I don't even know where I would put them. Let me look around. Do I see anywhere I could put candlesticks? No. But I did get these beautiful glass pumpkins, and the tag tore off for some reason, but how cute are these? This is a smaller one. I don't know, I think it was like $12.99 or $14, no, maybe $16.99. But I thought it was so cute. And then this big one was $24.99, and oh, it is beautiful. This could go so many places in my house. I'm just looking around. Where am I going to put it? I don't know. I didn't have a plan of where I was putting them when I bought them. I just bought them because they were so cute. Then we went to TJ Maxx next. I was looking for like a centerpiece actually, and I've been to Hobby Lobby, Kirkland's, Michael's, everywhere, and I still haven't found anything. So I'm just like, I want to do this tour. I need one more little centerpiece, and I found something so cute. I was actually looking for something tall, but this was too cute to pass up. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Let me show you close up. I don't know how close you saw any of that stuff because I look far away. But look how cute. This color of pumpkin is gorgeous. I don't even know what color you want to call that. It is like a pale greenish, creamish color. And it has eucalyptus. There was actually a smaller one there too. I should have got both of them. But this had like a clearance sticker on it. It was $39.99 and I got it for $29.99. Super pumped about this deal because this is just so cute. And then in case you couldn't see those glass pumpkins, they're open on the bottom, so I guess you could put a light in there if you wanted. And this is the big one. I also got some pillows at TJ Maxx, and I saw them the other day, and I didn't get them because they looked a little rough. But then I got to thinking about it and I couldn't find them online and they were so cozy. I decided that because there were some threads hanging off, I could just cut them off. And they were only $20 for the 2 pillows, and it's kind of like a leopard print, I guess. But it's just this cream color, and they're so soft, and they're great. They're very karate choppable because the ones on my current couch in here right now are not karate choppable at all. So I think those will replace those. And then I got this rug for the front door because ours got ruined. So I knew I needed one and I just picked this up. Not even sure what it looks like. I can't tell what a rug looks like unless I get to roll it out. And I just wanted to roll it out in the store, but I would have to rip all this stuff off to do it. I feel like that would have been mad if I did that. Gosh, there's so many ties on it.
Ties. You might need some scissors.
I think I'm just gonna rip it off. Ow.
Scissors would probably be much more easier.
Okay, go get me some scissors.
Okay.
Thank you, dear. Ew! These scissors are all sticky from you opening your popsicles. My goodness. Now I'm all sticky. Let's see.
Wow.
I hope that fits. So this is the rug. It's just a nice neutral print, and it has some fringe detailing. Okay, and then I just have one more bag, which is another leopard print item. I got these leopard print shoes. They're Franco Sarto, and they are like the, I don't know. They're so cute. So I was actually looking for some leopard print shoes like this, and instead of me having to order some online, I just got to easily pick them up at TJ Maxx. And then the last thing that I got, the store is like packed and it's Sunday, and I stumbled upon this cute Ray Dunn Pumpkin Queen mug. It's actually like really a light orange color. It's not the same color of orange as my other Ray Dunn mugs. I feel like they're a deeper orange. But I thought that was cute. Pumpkin Queen. Because if you watched one of my last videos where I unloaded all my pumpkins, you could say that I was a pumpkin queen because I have like 100 pumpkins. So that was a cute little find. Oh, the Lego socks. There's your cool Lego socks. Here you go, bud. Alright, that is all for my haul today. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe and stay tuned because I have a whole home fall and Halloween tour coming up, and then we're going to be doing some projects. We're going to be redoing a bathroom and our butler's pantry and a bedroom, so I can't wait to share that all with you. I'm going to go outside with the boys, and they're going to be riding their razor. My boys just got a new little mini razor. Their dad has a razor, and they traded their older one in for a brand new one, so they're outside, or one of them is outside playing with that now. It's a beautiful evening. That's what we're going to go do. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.